Hey everyone, welcome to AA Crypto Trader. So today is 20th of November 11:36 p.m. IST, and yeah, it's over guys. The ITP is over. Um there are no updates. Whenever we are opening the application, we are just getting the same bonus prompt, and there is no update from the customer service, nothing. It's completely over. It's a complete scam. So Um, so there are few learnings I wanted to share with you. So first of all, I want to tell you that I have never ever invested in another MLM scheme. So even after realizing this is an MLM, still I invested and I lost my money. So any MLM scheme, I have never believed because I know that in MLM the money will be gone. So the people who joined earlier, in the initial stages, they will get money because the new investors' money are it's actually going to the earlier investors. So they will get money, but whoever is investing at the end will always lose money. So here I did a huge mistake that I saw this particular report on behind MLM, but I denied it. I ignored it. I don't know why. I have no idea why I ignored it. I read this, but still I made believe myself that ITP is not like other MLM. And I checked it in what say the other site review channels like Trustpilot, Scam Advisor. When I checked it in Trustpilot, it was more than 4 point something. Only these recent days they have actually like what say whenever we realize that there is an issue, whenever when all of the people realize that it's a scam, then only these reviews went down. Before that it was all green, and even Scam Advisor also has same reviews. It was not reported as a scam till now because it's all happened in the last 1 week, right? Within last 7 to 8 days. So yeah, so we cannot trust these kind of sites. The trust pilots or scam advisor to validate some scams or else a crypto scam or something like that. They only check the site validity and the customer reviews. So till the time there are no bad reviews, we always see that it's a good thing. So behind MLM, they clearly mentioned everything, how this ITP works, and the Chinese relations. Chinese relation maybe because of the app developing company that can be ignored, but again, the plan, the compensation plan, all these things are clearly it was MLM. Still, ignored it. Still, I ignored it. I don't know why. I still don't know why I ignored it, and I put all my money, all my savings. I would say I had whatever I had. I withdrawn from the mutual funds. I withdrawn from the fixed deposit. All I put it into this, and within 8 days, I lost everything. So actually, I started with a minimal amount, and then when this bonus thing came up, I invested. I invested more. I actually got, I actually invested twice, and because I thought that I'll get that bonus, and I feel like a dumb right now. I feel like a dumb person right now. Like in my lifetime, I have never done something like this before. I have never blindly invested into anything before. So, yeah, shit happens. So, one of the things that I have learned from this, any kind of Ponzi scheme or MLM scheme, it's gonna crash anytime. So, it's better that you don't invest into these kind of platforms. It's better to stay away from these kind of platforms. And if you know anyone trying to invest in this kind of platforms, please make sure that they don't invest. people who are close to you, if they are trying to invest in something like this, if or else if they are telling to you that they are investing, they are doing something with this kind of platforms, make sure that you are making them understand this is how it is. You are gonna lose your money. So I learned it in the hard way, and many of you are have also learned it in the hard way. So yeah, they are. I don't know if they are still transacting all these amount. So this is the deposit wallet address. So which I have searched it in USDT scan, and you can see. Um, so you can see the, I mean, this deposited amounts, and so this is the particular wallet that they are actually withdrawing all these deposited deposits. You can still see, I mean, today is 28th, right? So you can still see the people are still investing. I don't understand why they are still investing into this platform. I don't know, like this 72.68 and all, there are like fractional numbers. I don't know why plus 11. So they are still investing, and I don't know, even after they realized it's a scam, still they are investing. I don't know why. And even in YouTube also, people are still, I mean, there are few people who are still sharing these links and then telling that it's a money earning application. All these things they are doing. You can see this particular wallet is having around 160 grand USDT, and it was much more than, I mean, when I checked it in last week, it was much more than twice of this amount. And let's see if, I mean, I'll show you if I can get that particular wallet address where they are withdrawing this in bulk, and then sending it to multiple other wallets. So yesterday I saw somebody has posted in a Telegram group that the I mean it has been hacked. I mean the ITP has been hacked, and then they were using some kind of sites. I don't know, some crypto sites where um, it actually shows whether there was a hacking or not. It mentioned it as a hacking, but what if it is staged? You never know, right? You never know whether it is staged, because they can easily stage it. So I don't believe that. I don't buy that. So still you can see the people are still investing into this particular wallet, and I mean to this particular application. I am not understanding why they are still doing it, even after um, realizing that there is a lot of scams going. I mean, there are a lot of things are going on with this application from last few days. Still, they are investing. So yeah, I guess this is one of that wallet there. So they are actually withdrawing it to multiple wallets from here itself. You can see this particular one. So let's open it and see what they are doing over there. See, so here you can see they have they are sending it to other wallets right now. So they are getting, see, 300,000 and all, they are withdrawing 200,000, 300,000, 100,000. So they are withdrawing the money every now and then. Okay, so you can see it from 23rd. So let's see few more. I think these all these things started from 20th, or I guess 20th or 21st, I guess. Let's say, let's see what happened before that. 21st, this is 20th, and this is okay, this is October month data. And you can see this, before that also they used to pull money from this particular wallet. Yeah, they were doing it always. And let's go back and see the latest transaction and see whether, where, I mean, how they are transferring these funds. Let's say, let's go to this particular wallet and see. I'll open it in a new tab. You can see that they are also they are getting credited with my, I mean, from multiple wallets. I guess it's the same wallet that I showed you before, QNA, and no, not this one. Okay, this is the same wallet. Yeah, this is the wallet. So you can see they are actually transferring this money to many people. I don't know whether it is their own wallets or it is different people's wallet and all, but still, it's none of us are receiving this. Maybe these are going to the leaders, the people who were leaders, and again, all of them have vanished also. There is no trace of any of them. So it's clearly a scam. Please do not invest into this. Please do not invest into any of these kind of application. Whenever they say they are gonna double the money, it's for sure, and it's for sure that it's a scam. And I should have suspected it from day one itself, but I don't know. As I said, I was dumb for that time. I was stupid, and I made the investment. I lost the money. So now I realize that I should, I mean, now I realize what I should have done from the beginning itself, and I will never make another mistake like this in my lifetime for sure. And I request to you, to all of you guys, please do not invest in such applications. So all these MLM schemes, they are all frauds. And another thing is that, so whenever they say, and again here, another red flag was that they whenever we withdraw, they never give us the what's it the I mean, they never give us the transaction ID. They just give us the order ID. And when I reach to Binance, my wallet is Binance, when I reached out to Binance, telling that this transaction is not complete, I mean, the ITP says that they have initiated the payment, but it has not been received my to my wallet. And they said, they asked me for the transaction ID, and when I gave this order ID, they said this is not a transaction ID. Transaction ID is different, and they asked me to get it from the provider. And who is the provider? Where is the provider? There is no trace of them. And yeah, it's a complete scam, right? So please don't fall for it anyways. I actually lost my savings. So any people who are watching, I mean, the people who are actually planning to invest into this platform, please don't. Please don't. You are gonna lose your money. I have taken down all these referral links and everything from my platform, and even after seeing this withdrawal issue, and I mean the last video that I have posted, there were people reaching out to me that how can I join? I'm not understanding whether they are seeing the videos completely or not. Uh, but make sure that you are not going to invest into this particular platform or any such platforms or any such fake cryptocurrency trading platforms. So if you want to make money, learn trading, and then go to any legit sites like Binance, or else like WhatsApp. There are multiple sites, right? So from India, there is WazirX, and then there is a CoinDCX, Binance. So there are multiple sites like that who are kind of legit. Do trade with them, or else you can I mean, they can you can rely on the auto trade options, or else copy trade options. I don't know, like, you have to do your own research for that. Please make sure that you are doing your own research and don't just listen to my words and go and invest into any of the platforms. Please don't do that. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So we all lost our money. So there is no point cribbing about it. We lost it. So I am I'm sad actually, but I'm not like going into the depression and all. I'm just trying to move on. I got some debt. I have to somehow make it from my what's say from my job and everything, and then fix it. So that's about it. That's about ITP. It's done. It's gone. It's dusted. Cool. So I don't know what to do next. I definitely have to have I mean, passive income. So I'll keep exploring these ways. So whenever I find something that is similar to this, that is similar to the crypto scams, definitely I'll gonna top it up over here. I am not going to uh, I mean, let's say go silent to these kind of platforms. I'm not going to be silent for these kind of platforms. I'm gonna post the reviews all of these kind of platforms. I'm not gonna what say I'm not going to invest in any of these. But definitely, even if I am not investing, I can create an account and see how it is, and I will show all the red flags, and that will be a help for you. So, and at the same point of time, I'll try keep exploring legit platforms as well, like for say the copy trading from Binance. I don't know how it works. I definitely have seen some videos of it, but again I don't know how it works, so I'll definitely try to learn it. And I currently I do not have any money to invest, so definitely I'll have to wait for some time, and then I will learn how the copy trading works, whether it actually works or not, or else some quant tradings, because quantitative tradings are, in theory, it's actually good, because we only have seen that in various trade platforms, the prices of these commodities or stocks or cryptos, it actually differs. So definitely there is a chance to make the money, but I mean the manual trading is not gonna work for that, but because it is like in fractional seconds the price will change. So it's definitely going to help us by doing manually. So yeah, I'll keep exploring those options, and if I find anything legit, definitely I'll put it over here, and you guys can. I mean, I will put it only when I realize that it is safe after I try myself, and if I mean I'm not going to any kind of new platforms which is created. I will use the platforms which are there like Binance or else CoinDCX or else Coinbase. I don't know whether the copy trading is there on Coinbase, but I am just putting an example over here. So those kind of legit platforms. So if I see something that is good, definitely I'll share it over here. And once I one and I again I'll share my journey also with that particular application. On top of that, I'll definitely look into these kind of fake applications, and I'll put all those videos over here. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you again. Bye bye.